I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I thought I'd take you along with me as I share my boho style guest bedroom. I hope you enjoy. Guys, my husband and I recently became empty nesters, and it's a little sad, guys. I miss my kids terribly, but of course I had a lot of spare rooms to decorate, and I truly love the boho style of decor, so I wanted to make this room solely boho.
I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. And if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want.
Guys, I really had a vision for what I wanted in this room. I wanted really warm, earthy tones. I really love the look of boho because of these colour schemes. When it comes to decorating my bed, I always try to go with a white palette, guys. I always tend to get a white doona cover or coverlet and then use that as my base and work from there. This doona cover was completely inexpensive, guys. It's just from Big W and I paid about $25 for it. I love how it has that teared, ruffled look about it, and it goes perfect with anything of any colour. Now, the showstopper in the room would have to be this beautiful cow. Guys, as soon as I walked into a value dollar store here in Australia, I spotted this cow print and I knew it would go perfect in my boho inspired room. I then added some of these baskets. These were just baskets that I got from the thrift store for 50 cents for the pack of 4, and I just added them around the cow. To the right hand side, I added this little marble table, which is from Kmart. I added some pampas grass to the beautiful Big W vase, and this beautiful lampshade is from Amazon, which I'll leave link for you down below. I also mentioned previously that our store, Coles here in Australia, has started to bring out some home decor, and I picked up this beautiful greenery plant, which I think goes perfect in this room. On the bed, I just shopped my own home, guys. I had these types of cushions already, which are from Pillow Talk. The beautiful chunky knit throw is from Adairs, and the beautiful fur throw is from TK Maxx. Now to the right hand side I have a standing mirror which is from Fantastic Furniture, and I draped across the front of it, guys, this beautiful macrame garland that I picked up from Spotlight. I absolutely love the detail in this garland.
Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Now guys, eventually I'd love to get some bedside tables for this room, but what I did is I used what I already had. I had this beautiful tan ottoman and I placed some stackable boxes on top, and as well as this lantern, and the stackable boxes and lantern are both from 1825 Interiors.
I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day
Now I also added this expandable hanging peg rack, which I just added one of my hats to the top, and I just love this, guys. It's really inexpensive and it was just from Kmart.
coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know you're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky.
The thing that I absolutely love about decorating, guys, is that you can decorate in so many different ways as long as you stick to one rule. What I do in my home is I try to have everything neutral, and that way I can work around it. So for example, if I do get sick of the boho style, I can just remove the colour from this room and add a completely new palette. That's why I always tend to stick to white.
I just can't see how, not even if I tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side.
Leave me a comment down below if you really love the boho style of decor as well, and do you have some of it throughout your home?
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright.
Now guys, I know I will get a lot of questions about this beautiful cow print canvas, and I did mention that I got it from a local dollar store here in Australia. Unfortunately, I can't link it, but I will try and find something very similar, which I'll link for you down below.
Come alive. I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah, 'cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating in the boho style.
I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah.
Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love if you would hit that subscribe button to become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.